Tornado warning. Let's go.
Central Daylight Time. At 9:20
Are you kidding me?
Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Vaughan, or 11 miles west of Brookhaven, moving northeast at 25
No way.
miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Holy crap.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Vaughan around 9:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Lloyd Star and Gustaville around 9:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Allen around 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Glancy around 10:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Martinsville around 10:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tensall Parish in northeastern Louisiana, south central Madison Parish in northeastern Louisiana, southwestern Claiborne County in southwestern Mississippi, western Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi, until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:29 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Newlight to near Natchez, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Newlight around 9:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Somerset around 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. After around 9:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Alcorn, St. Joseph, and Lorman around 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no. Effective until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following parish: Tensall, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Capaya, Hines, Jefferson, Lawrence, Leake, Lincoln, Madison.
Crazy stuff happening today.
Smith, Warren, and Yazoo. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.